Hi, it's Susan from Tama Gems. Aren't these beautiful earrings? These are garnet and citrine. Let's get started making them. Okay, let's get started making these beautiful earrings. You will need garnets, and these are 4 millimeters, and you're going to need 12 of these. You're going to need citrine. These are 3 millimeters. You'll need 6 of these. You will need 2 pieces of 22 gauge wire, and I cut it 3.5 inches long. This is another garnet. This is 6 millimeters. You'll need 2 of these. You'll need 2 head pins, 2 inches, 2 earring wires. For tools, you'll need flush cutters, chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and bent chain nose pliers. I already made one side, so let's do the other side. First, what we're going to do is take our 2-inch head pin and put on our 6 millimeter garnet. Bring it down to the bottom, and let's wire wrap it. Come in with our chain nose pliers, bring the wire to the back, round nose pliers, up, over, down, rotate our pliers and bring the wire to the back. Now what we're going to do is pinch it down with our chain nose pliers, come in with our bent chain nose pliers, and wire wrap it around. Now we're going to cut off the excess. Pinch down the burr to make it flush. So we have one component done. Now we're going to work on this section with our 3.5 inch head pin. We're going to take our chain nose pliers and we need to make a wrapped loop here at the bottom. Take our wire to the back, use our round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate our pliers, and bring the wire to the back. And now what we have to do is we have to attach this to here. So I'm going to open the door, attach it, come in with our chain nose pliers, pinch it down, and I can use my fingers to wire wrap this around 3 times. Then I'm going to cut it. And pinch down the burr. Now we're going to do our stacking of our gemstones. We've got 3 garnets, 3 citrine, 3 garnets. Now we're going to wire wrap the top. Same way, pinch it down, bring the wire to the back, use our round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate our pliers, and I'm actually going to put my earring wire on so I don't have to open it later. Pinch down the loop that we made, and I'm going to wire wrap around with my fingers 3 times and cut. pinch down our burr. And there we have our beautiful garnet and citrine earrings. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.